What is going on, guys? Mr. Bar come back to us with yet another video, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing the zhiyun weebill S, however you pronounce that. Basically what it is, it's a gimbal to put my camera on, so it's going to make me have smoother and more professional looking shots. So yeah, I wanted to upgrade the Instagram and the YouTube game, so I invested in one of these. They're a little pricey. This one here I think comes in at around 400 Canadian, but you know, it's definitely an investment, and I'm sure you guys are gonna love watching the footage I can create with this. But yeah, without further ado, let's hop straight into it. Open it up. Bam. Look at that. Alright, so this is what we got. I'm gonna come back to you guys once I put it all together. Alright, so I'm just gonna switch. I'm using my camera, but I want to put my camera on here, so I'm going to switch to my iPhone. Let's do it. Okay, so as you guys can see, oh, we have hella smooth shots now. I can't control it though. Oh, there you go. Anyways, alright, so I've been messing around with the gimbal. I'm still getting to learn how to use it. I'm trying to use the app, but it's not working right now, which is kind of weird. Might just be my phone. I think I'm going to restart it. Hopefully it'll work. But yeah, so right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to film a few things, and then I'm going to bring the gimbal to the shop tomorrow. I'm going to film some of the haircuts with it. So stay tuned. In a few seconds, you guys are going to see what I can do with it and what the shots kind of look like using this gimbal. So enjoy the clips. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the test footage of me trying out the gimbal. As you guys can see, it makes a huge difference, and it just makes everything look way more professional. So if you're a barber and you want to up your social media game, I would definitely recommend getting yourself one of these. You don't have to get this one necessarily. This one's more expensive because it's meant for DSLR cameras, or in my case, a mirrorless camera. But you know, you can get a $60 to $100 one with so that you can use your iPhone. So if you use your iPhone for your IG videos, your TikToks, your YouTube videos even, you can get one of those and it'll improve your content. So yeah, like I told you guys, I'm back on the YouTube grind. We're investing in ourselves, so stay tuned for more videos. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.